Okay, at number 8, there are a few different ways to look at this problem. But essentially, we have a parentheses squared equals 16. So the parentheses squared means that you would have to take 6n minus 3 times 6n minus 3 and distribute that all the way out if you were going to try to solve it by factoring or using quadratic formula. But what I really have and what you should try to recognize is that on the left-hand side, you have something squared. And on the right-hand side, you have something squared. So if I start by taking the square root of a number squared, those are inverse operations. They undo each other. So 6n minus 3 quantity squared, if I take the square root, is simply 6n minus 3. And that's going to equal the square root of 16, which is 4, and, very importantly, and negative 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 4 times negative 4 is also 16. You have to use both. So then when you go to solve this equation, you're adding 3. You have to add 3 to both solutions because you're trying to work with both solutions. So you have 6n is equal to 7, and 6n is also equal to negative 1 because negative 4 plus 3. Then my last step is to divide by 6. And so n is equal to 7/6, which your worksheet gives you a decimal, and it's equal to negative 1/6. So 7/6 is 1.16 repeating, 1.167, and negative 1/6 is negative 0.167 because it's 0.16 repeating.